It's just that I've not actually really filmed a long YouTube hair video. So I'm bringing that to you right now. That's why I call it the Green Max. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video with me. I am Emma Prince if you're new here, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that anytime I post a new video you'll be notified. Okay, so I'm sorry I'm looking like this. I'm looking all natural. That is because today we're going to be doing natural hair. So yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while, guys, but if you follow me more on my YouTube shorts and on my Instagram story, you will see that I have been consistent with my hair. It's just that I've not actually really filmed a long YouTube hair video. So I'm bringing that to you right now. So today I'll be doing a DIY protein treatment, like more like a green max on my hair. I think it's been a while, and I told you guys in my last video, I don't know which of the videos, but I'll be putting it up here or here. I told you guys in my last video that a low porosity hair doesn't need protein treatment all the time. So I'll be doing my protein treatment just twice in a year. So this is the first time I'm going to be doing a protein treatment in a long time. I just feel like my hair needs it. My hair needs to be, rejuvenated. So I'll be showing you how I do this DIY protein treatment stroke deep conditioning treatment. So let's just get right into this video. So guys, this is my max, my hair max. Hopefully you can see it. You can see it's green in color. That's why I call it the green max. So I'm supposed to be doing this in the restroom, because I feel like this is going to be so messy, but I'm super lazy to stand for that long, so I'll try and do it here. Hopefully I don't mess my room up, I don't mess my bed up. So yeah, I'm going to coat myself with my towel. So guys, I'll be starting with the front section of my hair so you see how I apply this, because after this I'll be fast forwarding the process. So guys, I'm done with the front section of my hair, and I feel like if I do the back section of my hair here, I'm going to so mess my bed up or my room up. So I have to go to the restroom to finish up, and when I'm done I'll come back to show you what it looks like. So guys, I'm done with my hair. You can see how messy I look. I smell like egg, I smell like avocado, and I smell like my deep conditioner. So I'm going to wrap my hair in this polythene bag and allow it sit on my hair for 30 minutes. Then I'm going to rinse out and come show you guys how my hair is looking after the Green Max treatment. Hi guys, so I'm done washing off my hair. It took me a while though, because it seems as though it was a wash day. Well, this is what my hair is looking like after washing and using my t-shirt to dry. This is what my hair is looking like. So I am too tired to do anything with my hair right now, so what I'm going to do is, while my hair is still wet, I'm going to be moisturizing my hair with my hair butter and just keep that in place till I'm ready to style. Stay tuned. In my next video I'll be doing twist out, yeah, with the same hair. So I'll be doing the twist out maybe tomorrow and I'm going to film it. So yeah, let's just moisturize my hair. As you can see, my hair is super shiny. It is so shiny. I'll tell you the benefit of the Green Max on your natural hair, why I do this. Avocado is helpful for dry, dehydrated hair. It's rich in vitamins that can nourish the scalp and help hair look healthy, shiny, and hydrated. It's rich in biotin and helps the hair grow. Banana contains silica, a mineral element that helps your body to synthesize collagen and make your hair stronger and thicker. Bananas also have antimicrobial properties that can heal flaky and dry scalp, relieving dandruff symptoms. Now, eggs are nutrient-rich hair superfood. Vitamin A and E, biotin, and folate are just some of the nutrients found in eggs that are said to help keep hair thick and healthy. Eggs is loaded with healthy fats which helps replenish moisture and make your hair strand look sleek and shiny. So these are the benefits of the Green Max to your hair. Even if you have natural hair or permed hair, you can use the Green Max to replenish your hair strands. So guys, you can see that my hair is fully moisturized, and I'm going to keep it like this till I'm ready to style my hair. So I'm just going to put on my hair bonnet, and I think that is it for this video. So I hope you learned something if you're natural, and thanks for staying to the end, and thanks for watching my video. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.